Katie Boman, and I'm a student nurse at MCC. Today I'm going to be doing a physical assessment on you. So are you comfortable? Okay. So first I'm going to complete my hand hygiene. I'm going to wash my stethoscope, clean my stethoscope, and I'm going to put gloves on. Are you doing good today? Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Amberly Miller, February 2nd, 1998.
Good. Okay. So I'm gonna bring the bed up to make sure it's at my waist level, so it's good for me. Can you tell me where you're at today?
MCC Hospital,
And can you tell me what day and month it is?
October 2nd, 2018.
Okay. And so the whole time I'm asking her those questions, I'm making sure that her speech is good and it's good and clear. So first I'm going to assess your pupils. Can you take a look on that wall over there? And I'm going to dim the lights. So I'm just checking to make sure that they're able and reactive, and they are. So now I'm going to check her mucous membranes. Up her nose. I'm just checking the mucous membranes to make sure that they're pink and moist, and both of them are. So now I'm going to check her heart sounds. This has to go stethoscope to skin, so I'm going to pull your gown down if that's okay. Okay, so first, aortic and pulmonic and tricuspid. And bicuspid and mitral. Good. Now I'm going to check for her lung sounds. So I need you to breathe in and out for me, okay? In, out. In, 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 out. In, in, out. In and out. In and out. Now I'm going to check the breath sounds under her arms. In and out. Good. In and out. In and out. In and out. Now I'm going to check them on your back, so if you can lean up for me. Okay. In and out. In and out. In, out. In and out. In, out. In and out. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to assess her upper extremities. So first I'm going to check for her strength, so make sure it's equal on both sides. So squeeze and pull and push. And it's good, it's equal on both sides. And now I'm going to check her radial pulses, make sure that they're both equal. They are. And now I'm going to assess the skin and make sure that it's warm and dry to the touch. And it is. And I'm going to check her skin turgor. You can check that on your chest or on your hand. And I'm going to check on the hand. And it's good. And capillary refill. And it's good. It returns within 3 seconds. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to assess the abdomen. Have you had any bowel movement? When was your last bowel movement?
2 days ago.
Okay, and what about urination? Does it hurt? Is it painful? Okay. So first I'm going to look at it and make sure that there's nothing. That's good. And then I'm going to auscultate. And so I'm going to auscultate each quadrant for a whole minute. So first the right upper quadrant. The left upper quadrant. left lower quadrant. Right lower quadrant. It was good. There were vowel sounds present in each quadrant. So now I'm gonna palpate and check for any tenderness. So just tell me if this hurts any. You good? Okay. So now I'm gonna assess her lower extremities. So I'm gonna check her calves first to make sure there's no redness or edema. And there's not. And so now I'm gonna see, can you bend your knees for me? Okay, and did that hurt any?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Can you push and pull? Okay, good. And now I'm gonna check for capillary refill. And it's good, it returns within 3 seconds. And now I'm gonna check the pulses. So I'm gonna make sure they're equal on both sides. Popliteal. Good. Posterior tibialis. Dorsalis pedis. And while I'm doing this, I'm also assessing the skin and making sure it's warm and dry to the touch. It is. Okay. So now I'm gonna roll you over to your side and assess your back and your buttocks. So I'm just checking for any redness or skin lesions. And you're good. Okay. So on a pain scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being the least and 10 being the most, are you experiencing anything today?
0. None.
Okay, good. So now I'm just gonna make sure that the side rails are up and the bed's in lowest position. Here's your call bell. Your call bell's in reach. And I make sure the wheels are locked. It's good. And so that completes our head to toe assessment.